Welcome to the fish canning factory of PT, Pasifik Harvest, Indonesia. As part of our commitment to health and safety, all guests and visitors are required to follow occupational health and safety procedures while in the factory area. For the comfort and safety of all, please pay attention to the following guidelines. Registration for guests. Every guest who visits the factory area is required to register at the security section and use the visitor ID card provided. This will help us track the presence of guests and visitors in providing assistance if needed. Introduction of personal protective equipment (PPE) for guests. Every guest who visits the production area must wear the personal protective equipment (PPE) that has been provided. Make sure PPE is worn while in the factory area to reduce the risk of injury. Prohibition on entering the forbidden area. There are some areas inside the factory that are only accessible to employees with special permission. Guests and visitors are prohibited from entering restricted areas. Please follow the signs and stay on the designated paths during the tour. Emergency procedures and evacuation. In case of emergency such as fire or other situation that requires evacuation, please follow the instructions of our officers. Recognize the evacuation route signs and immediately proceed to the designated assembly point. Do not panic and help other visitors if necessary. Ethics and behavior in the production area. While in the production area, do not touch any machines or equipment and do not take pictures of machines or equipment while visiting the production area. Remain alert and obey all instructions given by the guide. Food hygiene and safety. Cleanliness is an important factor in food production. Do not smoke or litter. Before entering the production area, all visitors are required to wash their hands with running water and soap. This is done to maintain food safety and prevent contamination during the visit. Canning sardines is a meticulous process that ensures freshness and quality in every can. Let's dive into the journey of how sardines are prepared. The process begins with the arrival of freshly caught sardines. These fish are quickly transported to the factory to ensure their freshness is maintained. Once they arrive, they are sorted by size and quality. Only the best sardines make it through to the next stage. After sorting, the sardines are thoroughly washed to remove any debris, scales, or impurities. The heads and tails are often removed, and the fish are cut to fit neatly into cans. Next, the sardines are pre-cooked either by steaming or boiling. This ensures the fish is partially cooked and ready for the canning process. Pre-cooking also helps retain the nutrients and flavor of the fish. Once cooked, the sardines are carefully packed into sterilized cans. Depending on the product, they may be packed in oil, tomato sauce, or other marinades. This step is crucial for flavor and preservation. After packing, the cans are hermetically sealed to prevent air or bacteria from entering. The sealed cans are then sterilized in large pressure cookers, ensuring the sardines remain safe and edible for long periods. Finally, the sterilized cans are labeled and packed into boxes, ready for distribution. Each can undergoes a quality control process to ensure it meets safety and industry standards. The journey from the ocean to your plate is complete. Sardines, packed with nutrients and flavor, are ready to be enjoyed in kitchens all around the world. Thank you for following the health and safety procedures during your visit. By following these steps, we can ensure the safety and comfort of all parties. Safety is our shared responsibility. Always prioritize safety at every step.